Understanding software. Software is everywhere. It's on our phones, in our cars, and even in our kitchen appliances. But what exactly is it? Simply put, software is a set of instructions that tell a computer what to do. It's the brains behind the electronic devices we use every day. Creating software is a complex process, broken down into key steps. This guide will provide an overview of the software development lifecycle. The blueprint: planning your software. Just as you wouldn't build a house without a blueprint, you shouldn't start developing software without a plan. This is where the software development process begins, with a clear understanding of what you want to create and why. This stage involves defining the purpose of the software, its target audience, and its key features. The planning stage also includes determining the resources needed for the project, such as the development team, budget, and timeline. This step is crucial for setting realistic expectations and ensuring that everyone involved is on the same page. A well-defined plan serves as a roadmap for the entire development process, guiding the team and helping them stay on track. A well-structured plan helps in mitigating risks, avoiding scope creep, and ensuring the project's successful completion. Effective communication is paramount during the planning stage. Regular meetings, clear documentation, and open communication channels ensure that everyone understands their roles, the project's goals, and any potential challenges. Defining the scope. What will your software do? Once you have a general idea of what you want to create, it's time to get specific. This is where you define the scope of your software project. The scope outlines exactly what the software will and will not do. Defining the scope helps to prevent feature creep, which is the tendency for projects to grow larger and more complex over time. It's much easier to stay on track and within budget when everyone agrees on what is and is not included in the project. For example, if you're developing a mobile app for ordering food, the scope might include features like browsing menus, placing orders, tracking deliveries, and making payments. However, it might exclude features like providing nutritional information or integrating with other apps. This doesn't mean that these features can't be added later, but it helps to keep the initial development focused and manageable. Documenting the scope is crucial. This document becomes the reference point for all stakeholders, ensuring everyone is aligned on the project's boundaries and objectives. Designing the user experience blueprints for interaction. With a clear scope in place, the next step is to design how the software will look and function. This is where user experience or UX design comes in. UX designers focus on creating software that is intuitive, easy to use, and enjoyable to interact with. This involves creating wireframes, mock-ups, and prototypes to test different design concepts and gather feedback from users. The goal is to create an interface that is visually appealing and user-friendly. A well-designed user interface, or UI, is crucial for the success of any software. A well-designed UI considers the user's needs and provides a seamless and intuitive experience. Think about your favorite apps and websites. What makes them so easy to use? Chances are it's because they have a well-thought-out UX design. Everything from the layout of the buttons to the color scheme can impact the user's experience. Section 5. The coding phase, bringing your software to life. Now it's time to start writing the code that will bring your software to life. This is where software developers take over and translate the designed specifications into a functioning application. This involves choosing the right programming languages, frameworks, and tools for the job. Coding is a complex and meticulous process that requires a deep understanding of programming principles and best practices. Writing clean, efficient, and well-documented code is crucial for the software's maintainability and scalability. Different programming languages are suited for different types of software. For example, Python is often used for data analysis and machine learning, while JavaScript is commonly used for web development. The coding phase is not just about writing code, it's about writing good code. Code readability, maintainability, and efficiency are crucial for long-term software health. Section 6. Testing 1, 2, 3, ensuring software quality. Once the code is written, it's time to put it to the test. Software testing is the process of identifying and fixing errors, bugs, or defects in the software. This is a critical step in the development process as it ensures that the software is stable, reliable, and functions as intended. Testing can be done manually or automatically, and it's important to test all aspects of the software, from its functionality to its performance. Thorough testing helps deliver a high-quality product that meets user expectations and reduces post-release issues. There are many different types of software testing, each with its own purpose. Unit testing, for example, involves testing individual components of the software in isolation, while integration testing checks how these components work together. Regular testing throughout the development process is crucial for catching and fixing issues early, reducing the risk of major problems down the line. Section 7. Deployment, sharing your software with the world. With the software thoroughly tested and deemed ready, it's time to deploy it. Deployment is the process of making the software available to its intended users. This could involve releasing it on an app store, uploading it to a web server, or distributing it on physical media. Deployment requires careful planning and execution to ensure a smooth transition for users. It often involves setting up servers, configuring databases, and ensuring compatibility with different operating systems and devices. Deployment also often involves creating documentation and providing training to users. It's important to make the transition as smooth as possible for users so they can start using the software without any issues. Post-deployment monitoring is essential for identifying any unforeseen issues or bugs that may arise in the live environment. Section 8. Maintenance, keeping your software running smoothly. The software development process doesn't end once the software is deployed. Ongoing maintenance is essential for keeping the software running smoothly, fixing any bugs that are discovered, and adding new features as needed. Software maintenance is an ongoing process that ensures the software remains relevant, secure, and performs optimally over time. It involves addressing user feedback, fixing bugs, and adapting to evolving technologies and user needs. Just like a car needs regular maintenance to keep running, software needs regular updates and bug fixes to stay functional and secure. This ensures that the software remains compatible with the latest technologies and continues to meet the evolving needs of its users. Regular updates and improvements also help to improve user satisfaction and extend the lifespan of the software. Section 9. The importance of collaboration. Teamwork makes the dream work. Software development is rarely a solo endeavor. It often involves a team of individuals with different skill sets working together towards a common goal. Effective collaboration and communication are crucial for ensuring that everyone is on the same page and that the project stays on track. Collaboration tools such as version control systems and project management software can help facilitate communication and keep track of progress. Regular team meetings and clear communication channels are also essential for a collaborative development environment. Open communication, active listening, and mutual respect are vital for a healthy and productive team dynamic. Each team member brings their own unique perspective and expertise to the table. By working together and leveraging each other's strengths, teams can create innovative and high-quality software that meets the needs of its users. Section 10. Conclusion. Creating software step by step. Creating software is a complex but rewarding process. It requires careful planning, meticulous design, skilled coding, thorough testing, and ongoing maintenance. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can increase your chances of developing software that is functional, user-friendly, and successful. Software development is an iterative and evolving process. Each project presents unique challenges and opportunities, requiring adaptability and a willingness to learn and grow. Remember that the most important factor in creating great software is having a clear understanding of your users' needs and a commitment to delivering a high-quality product that meets those needs.